Okay, this is part 3. This is part 3, and this is the primest part. Meaning, this is what we came to see, and it is 4/20, January 20th. Now, here's what I'm about to go walk over to, but here, you take a look at it before you get there. I have no idea what to say anymore about nothing. And like I said, I didn't hear anything. I felt something. I felt the presence. I'm scared to go over there, to be honest. So what I see up there too, another start of a structure. But right here, this is Sasquatch hut right here for sure. So it's been up here. I'm gonna go all in with this now since it's right behind the hospital area and the old folks home. Meaning, don't get mad at me how I say this. Like, the people that don't have family that care about them, or their family's all dead or something, or they're like hermit people where they just don't care and they don't give a shit about nothing. What if they know Sasquatch exists and they said they want to give their body to it, to eat it? Oh my God. There's something in the middle of there. It looks like a chair. Oh my God. There is a chair in the middle of that. I don't even know what to say right now. This is, it looked like a jungle gym structure, or one of them structures that you drape a tarp over and whatever, make a small tent. Oh my God. Look at that. Is that a heel print? Or is that a hoof and then a big indentation? I don't even know what to say right now. There's no way man made this. It looks like as if man came and messed with it though. Meaning what I said. Added into it. What if it's real about skinwalker theory and it sits there? I don't even know what to say right now. I swear my soul on this shit. I will not go into that area, but I will look right here. This is something to look at. A big squirrel up there tried to drop a twig on me. I don't know if you were watching that, but this little twig just fell. Right there. Right when I was pointing at it. You can't really see it on camera, but I swear my life on it. And then I don't even know what to say right now. There's literally 2 bushes planted right there. Now I don't know what that means, and I don't know why there's that pole right there. As if I'm gonna go all in on this sentence, what I'm about to say. I don't care. This is my deduction of what I'm looking at. It's like he's sitting right there having fun or whatever, and grabs that pole and just starts getting pissed and just to grab something. I don't know. I don't even know what to say anymore. I'll come back to this. I swear to God, I don't even know what to say. There's no way man made this. It added on to it, though. I know that. Otherwise, that chair wouldn't be there. Unless the Sasquatch really is like that and took that chair and put it there. There's something over there, and it looks weird as fuck. It's like a dream catcher or something. I'm gonna go over there once. Look at this. This is all. Oh no, that's a bush. Thought they were all put there, kind of. It is a dream catcher. Oh my God! And there's like hair and stuff on it. Oh my God! That smells like deer, not Sasquatch. What the fuck? Oh my God! That's something he ripped out of the ground. I thought it was a dream catcher. That's the roots of a tree. He ripped out of the ground and put it there like that. Oh my God. I'm not joking at all. This is crazy. I can't get too close to it though. What I want to do is alter it just slightly. Like I'll gift it this piece of paper. I don't know. And there's people up there. And they got bars on their windows. Oh my God. They got bars on their windows. Meaning what I think. That they seen it. And then they went ahead and put bars on their windows. Oh my God. I don't even know what to say right now. There's a big dented earth right there. I don't know. I know that humans had to add it onto it, but I know it had to have been here first from SAS, or Mimic, or bipedal humanoid creature. So, anyway, here. I want it to know that it was here. Put it right here. Kind of like that. See what it does. And then, I don't know what to say right now. And anyway, we'll come back to that. This is part 3. January 20th, 2026. Third video started right at 4:20. Isn't that ironic? And anyway, we're just gonna follow this trail. I don't even know what to say anymore. There's a marker right here. It's stuck in there pretty good too. That means it was pounded in here with a sledgehammer, or a bigger hammer than usual. And anyway, go over here. I can't believe I just seen that. Oh my God. Oh my God, he's right. I see something up here. I don't know what that's. I don't know what it is. It almost looks like a concrete monument. Back in the old days, before anything, they would just take a big old, like a stump of concrete. If you're lucky, you'd get something etched into it real quick. Otherwise, usually just a cross. And there you go, you know. So I think that, oh no, that is a stump that was cut. Anyway, here's the trail. This is the main trail that I'll go back on. So anyway, we'll go over here. Because I don't want to be down too low again. I already had my fun pretending to be Sasquatch in case someone's looking out the window. And that's on the second video. The first video is me gifting the Sasquatch gifts of food and a shiny object. And juice. Juice. In case you thought I was being a derogatory word. Oh my God, these people that got fence up, they know better. They know well good. There's a fence right here. They said don't be coming past this fence. It's a big fence too. It's a 6-foot tall fence. They know it's out here. That's an actual fence like they have at a baseball park. Okay. I've seen a lot now. Here's a spot for it to sit his fat ass on. Not to diss Sasquatch or not, but I was just making a joke. Pardon me for how I said that. So anyway, here we go. We're just going to walk this all the way to wherever it dumps us out, and then we'll turn around due to the fact my wife's bike is over there. And anyway, right here, come dipping down, put the bindings on right here, zip right through there. Needs more snow though. End up in the parking lot of the old folks' home. Ow. Yeah. It's a big house. It's like a log cabin too. I don't know if they really did use real logs, but it looks like it. That's cool. Rich. I done got rich enough flexing. I built me a log cabin. Oh, slipper right here. This is me. What I'm doing, I'm just following the deer trail. That's what Sasquatch does too. Before he decided that it's his trail. Or its trail. There's a deer. There's a deer over here. Here's something we're seeing right here. It's all flat right here. There they go. No. You can barely see them. But they're over there. Sasquatch, I think. There you go, you can see him move a little bit. See, Sasquatch won't do no whooping or anything in the daylight, but they all think of me as Sasquatch right now because I have the dark clothes on. You can see them move. Anyway, we'll let some people cut all these trees down. They have a fence all the way around their house. I would too. And anyway, look at this. Got me a toilet. I'm not joking. This is a damn toilet for Sasquatch. This is a Sasquatch toilet. I mean, these people are rich up here. Alright, I want to sit on it once. Just to say I did. Imagine this. This is how they used to do it. If it's true or not. Make an actual toilet here. And they did it for Sasquatch. Or for something to be inside there and live in there, I guess. But they decided to leave it like that. Oh my god, I smell it. It smells stink too. Like, I'm gonna just do it. I'm gonna sit on it. Take a seat. Oh, I am not joking. It's like a toilet. It stinks here too. I'm not joking. What if it actually did it and take a poop in there? I'm not joking. I swear on my life it stinks right here. I swear everything I say existence to humanity. Everything. There they are. Now they know that I'm a human. Then they'll be cool with me. That's how it usually goes for these deer around here. They're used to people talking. They also don't want me to go over there. Since that's their spot, I'll respect that for them. Just out of respect for nature. Only because I know that they don't want to move. So, how I'm going to do it, I want to walk over there though still. So I'm going to walk down. You didn't think I was going to say that, did you? And anyway, I can't believe, I swear on my life it stinks right here too. I'm not joking, like it literally stinks like poop. They tore all these trees down on purpose. I want you to know why. This is my hunch. They tore these trees down so no one could stand behind it. But this one right here, it still does. They decided to keep this one and that other one. And notice how they cut down all these branches. I don't know what to say about that, but I want to go. Now they're moving. Whatever's going on, now they're going somewhere else. So now I can't. Alright. Oh my god. Ow. This is a sticker. I don't know if they built this or not, but it's definitely a path here. Wow, this is badass. So I guess over there is the hill that I went snowboarding down, 11th Street Hill. This is amazing up here. Some people I bet don't even know this is up here. I didn't until right now. This is real cool up here. This is one of the coolest places I've ever been at, and it's in this city where I stay. And that's the spot where it sits, obviously, if it does walk all the way over here. Wow. Oh my God. This is a huge house right here. It's a house right here, tucked away. Oh my God, this is a huge house. And this is like a cliff. This is a huge house, tucked away. You know, get rich, build a house right up here. Not a big house, just a house. It's hard to explain how I would do it. I would tell it to you though. I would leave this tree here and leave that tree there and leave that tree here. And then, you believe me or not, the house wouldn't be big, not that big at all. I would have to trim these trees slightly, and then it would be, you know, basically a house where I park my car somewhere and walk up here and go to sleep, if you believe me or not. And then, it's pretty cool. Do-do-do, yeah. That's it. The deer wanted me to see up here. Oh, what's this? This is the other way to get down. What's that? I seen a hare, a rabbit. That is a big print right there. I'm not gonna say that's a deer. I have no idea what that is. Yep, I knew it. It says skinwalker area, in my opinion. Or is it? It could be a rabbit sitting there, maybe sitting on his haunches. I don't know. I'll be snowboarding right here though if it keeps snowing. Oh, this is a spot to be. I am not joking. I'll come ripping down here. The bad part is I'll be walking back up. That's like a 10-minute walk just for 1 minute of fun. And anyway, it's worth it though. I'm not walking down that way. I'm walking back the same way I came. Alright, that was good times. This is sacred land or something, untouched. And it was, how you say, cleared away. Unless it was already like this. I don't know. Keep the phone down in my pocket so it doesn't fall, shut off since it's getting cold. It is about, I don't know. It's so cold in my hand, I don't want to take it out of the glove to look at the other phone. But I will in a second. Okay. It says 17 degrees. Snowing. which it is. Get a good look at how the snow is falling. See it against the tree here, or maybe against the glove. Snowing just a little bit. Just a little bit. See? I ain't lying. Neither is the weather. Not this time. Hey, look at little burrow for the squirrel or something. I'm not joking. This thing took a dump in here. I don't care what anyone says. It stinks right there. I mean, anyway. Time to go back and get my bride-to-be's bicycle. Vintage bike. It's not a fancy bike. It's just cool to have. If you're wondering. I'm trying to figure out how I got. Shoot. Back on the trail. Oh, I could have hurt my ankle right there. I got lucky. You don't know how? I'm going like that. Stepping sideways, kinda. They say that's a bad idea. It usually is, but if you know it's hard to explain. You gotta get a feel for the walk and know your boots. These boots, they are, how you say, government issued military boots that I bought at a surplus store. They are waterproof without spraying waterproof chemical on there.